Calvin Coolidge Nursing and Rehabilitation Center. Are you looking into Calvin Coolidge Nursing Home and Rehabilitation Center for you or a loved one? Calvin Coolidge Nursing and Rehabilitation Center takes great pride in providing unmatched care for our long and short-term guests. Calvin Coolidge Nursing and Rehabilitation Center in Northampton, Massachusetts is a 125-bed JCAHO accredited skilled nursing center located close to downtown Northampton. With newly renovated bedrooms and sitting areas, a gracious dining room and screened-in patio, our residents enjoy warm weather gatherings. To find out more, visit our skilled nursing center or call us direct at 413-586-3150. Calvin Coolidge Nursing and Rehabilitation Center.